Hidden within the absolute darkness of the cosmos are lands where even light itself dares not remain. Worlds where winds race faster than bullets, rain falls as scorching glass, and the surface is so blisteringly hot that anything touching it is instantly consumed. Here, planets exist that seem to have emerged straight from the nightmares of the universe. Places where no living being could ever survive, and even spacecrafts hesitate to get too close. But we will not retreat. Today, we step through the gates of cosmic hells, pushing through deadly storms and infinite darkness to witness the most terrifying planets ever discovered up close. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Fasten your seatbelts. Our destination, the scariest corners of the universe. The further we go in this video, the scarier the planets get. Gliese 1214b, a hell in the heart of an endless ocean, 40 light-years away from Earth, in the deep darkness of space, lies a mysterious planet that has baffled scientists. Gliese 1214b, an ocean planet. But not just any ordinary ocean. Imagine a world made entirely of water, with not a single speck of land. A place where all you can see is an endless, silent ocean. Now, combine that silence with darkness. The atmosphere of this planet is so dense and rich in water vapor that very little light reaches its surface, creating a terrifying and mysterious environment at the heart of this world. But if you think that all this water means a cool environment, you're completely mistaken. The temperature on this planet reaches around 280 degrees Celsius. So if one day you manage to land there, not only will you be surrounded by darkness and complete silence, but you'll also be trapped in a boiling, scorching ocean. If we ever travel to Gliese 1214b, what would destroy us first? The fear of isolation in the dark? Or the suffocating heat of a burning ocean? Maybe neither. Because before we even understand what happened, our bodies will be no more in this liquid hell. HD 189733b. A journey with no return. A hell where it's impossible to survive. If you think there might be a safer place in the cosmos, you're sorely mistaken. This time, we face the wildest and most ruthless storms. HD 189733b, a planet discovered in 2005 and later studied by the Hubble telescope, is one of the harshest places known in our galaxy. "64 light-years away from Earth lies a planet almost the size of Jupiter, but far more merciless. Due to its close proximity to its host star, the temperature of this world reaches 1,100 degrees Celsius. But this is just the beginning of the terror that is HD 189733b, hellish storms and winds beyond imagination. If you were to step foot on this planet, before you even open your eyes, winds with a speed of 8,700 kilometers per hour would strike you down. To understand this number, imagine a storm here blowing 7 times faster than the fastest tornadoes on Earth. But if you think the extreme winds are the only danger in this hell, wait for it. The atmosphere of this planet is full of silicate particles, meaning the rain here is made of glass. Imagine sharp glass particles hurled by fierce winds through the air, hitting your body. These deadly shards move with such speed and intensity in the atmosphere that they will tear you apart before the heat even gets to you. think about it. If one day we set foot on this planet, what fate would await us? First, the deadly storms would tear us apart. Next, the intense heat would melt us down to the brink. And finally, the glass rain would pierce our bodies into oblivion. 55 Cancri A, a hell made of diamonds. If you've ever thought it's impossible to be in hell while living among legendary wealth, then you haven't met 55 Cancri E yet. This super-Earth was discovered in 2004 and lies 40 light-years away from Earth, making it practically in our cosmic neighborhood. Many of the planets we've discussed so far have temperatures around 1,000 to 1,200 degrees Celsius, but 55 Cancri E has raised the bar. The temperature of this planet reaches 2,500 degrees Celsius. It's so hot that rocks, metals, and anything you can imagine melt and even vaporize. This terrifying temperature is due to the planet's extreme proximity to its host star. In addition, 55 Cancri E is tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, burning in the fire, while the other side is plunged into complete darkness. One of the strangest features of this planet is its chemical composition. Scientists believe the planet is rich in carbon, and under the intense pressure and heat, large amounts of this carbon could be converted into diamonds. Imagine a world where the surface could be covered with molten diamonds. But before you start thinking about mining this cosmic treasure, remember that in this hellish world, nothing alive could last for even a moment. If you think the lethal temperatures and diamond-like surface of this planet are enough, prepare yourself, because it doesn't end there. Using the Hubble and Spitzer space telescopes, scientists have detected varying infrared emissions from this planet, likely caused by massive volcanic eruptions. These volcanoes are constantly erupting toxic gases and molten materials, and the atmosphere is a deadly mixture of toxic and superheated gases, turning this planet into a true hell. "55 Cancri E can be considered one of the most terrifying and harshest exoplanets discovered so far. Incredible temperatures, a surface that may be made of diamonds, constant volcanic eruptions, and a toxic atmosphere. This is not a place you'd want to survive in. WASP-12b, a planet being slowly devoured. At a distance of 1,400 light-years from us, in the depths of space, lies a doomed planet. WASP-12b, a world that is slowly being consumed by its star. This gas giant, with a mass 1.4 times that of Jupiter, is so close to its star that the temperature on its surface reaches 2,500 degrees Celsius, which is almost the temperature of a star itself. One of the scariest features of this planet is that, quite literally, it is dying. The gravity of its host star is pulling the planet's surface materials toward it, like a hungry monster swallowing its prey. Scientists estimate that in the next few million years, WASP-12b will completely disappear. The intense gravitational pull from the star has caused this planet to lose its shape. The gravitational forces have deformed it from a sphere into an elongated oval. But perhaps the strangest feature of all is that WASP-12b reflects almost no light. This means its surface is so black and dark that it absorbs all light, almost like a tiny black hole. Now imagine this: a dying, elongated planet, sinking into darkness, burning in hellish temperatures, and being slowly devoured by its star.